here that you can save thousands of dollars off of every model in the lot today. Is that true?
That is true, guys. And so also we have our price leader, which is the Aspen Trail 17BH. You can get that thing for around $100 a month. That's with approved credit, of course. That's the best unit if you're thinking about getting into RVing. I would recommend the Aspen Trail 17BH. And also this weekend we're going to give you more for your trade, and you're going to pay less for a brand new RV this weekend at Wade's RV in Goldsmith.
That's so awesome. And I also heard that in the Aspen Trail there's microwaves in it too, right? So it's a little extra spacious for you. So if you are trying to start it out, you do got the space for it. And like I said, they also have a giveaway going on right now where if you visit Wade's RV's Facebook page and you like and share their giveaway post, you can win a Yeti cooler. It's been sitting here in the lobby all day, right?
Yeah, that's right. So you can see it when you walk in. It's right there to the left. There's some more giveaways as well. So go to there. You have 8 different options to get 8 different entries for a giveaway. And if you don't win the Yeti, we have some other camping gear that you can win. This weekend at Wade's RV, if you want to come out and test drive the motorhome, we have some gently used motorhomes that are extremely affordable. And we have some safe side roads that you can test drive today.
That's awesome, and that's all right here at 654 Pirates Court in Goldsmith. I'll see you here. This is Autumn, and you're listening to 93.3 Jake FM. 93.3 Jake FM, good afternoon. Autumn here, checking in from Wade's RV here at 654 Pirates Court in Goldsmith, where we are gearing up for their spring break sale that just kicked off today. But it is going on today and tomorrow, where I heard you get some money off of these vehicles, right?
Yes, you can get a lot of money off on the new purchase of a brand new RV here at Wade's RV. Plus, we're going to give you more for your trade. So literally this weekend, you're going to save thousands of dollars when you come here and pick out an RV for you and the family.
Yeah, that's right. And they're offering RVs as low as $150 a month, so you can get camping by spring break. I heard they also got this entry-level camper, the Aspen Trail 17BH. I believe it's got fun facts. That's what the BH stands for, fun facts. But like I said, we are hanging out here until 2 today. I've got some goodies for you to grab. You can also come here and enter to win some free tickets to go see Jason Aldean at the Paycom Center this October. And like I said, I'm going to be here until 2 today, hanging out here with Lil Wade, where we are getting $1,000 off of your ride here at 654 Pirates Court here in Goldsmith. I'll see you here. This is Autumn, and you're listening to 93.3 Jake FM. Good afternoon. Autumn here, checking in one last time from Wade's RV here at 654 Pirates Court in Goldsmith, where I'm hanging out here until 2 today. But we've got a deal going on all weekend long here at Wade's RV. They got their spring break sale going on, and I've got Lil Wade right here to tell you a little bit more about it.
Yeah, it's the spring break event here at Wade's RV in Goldsmith, where you're going to save thousands of dollars this weekend because we're going to give you more for your trade, and you're going to pay less for a brand new RV here at Wade's RV in Goldsmith. I'm going to be here all weekend long, so come out here and see me.
And I also heard that you can also save more on your trade-ins this weekend. So if there's a better time to do it, it would be right now. Because here at Wade's RV, they are trying to get you on the road in time for spring break. And also, I mean, a perfect day for it, too. It is sunny skies out here. And I also heard that y'all got some boats on sale, right?
That's right. Head on over to wadesrv.com and check out our Tri-Tune boats because we have those listed at cost. So basically, you're going to pay what we paid for the Tri-Tune boats because they got to go. They're brand new. They're 2022s, but, you know, they're award-winning Tri-Tune boats. Go check them out, wadesrv.com.
That's awesome. And like I said, the spring break sale is going to be going on all weekend long here at Wade's RV. Thousands of dollars off of every single model you'll see here on the lot here at 654 Pirates Court here in Goldsmith. I'll see you here. This is Autumn, and you're listening to 93.3 Jake FM.